नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, भारतीय मजदूर संघ ने वित्त मंत्री श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण को एक पत्र 26 जून को लिखा। इशू वॉज पर्टेनिंग टू द पेंशन अपडेशन, पेंशन रिवीजन, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, वन लास्ट पेंशन ऑप्शन, 5-day बैंकिंग एंड एक्स ग्रेसिया टू प्राइवेट बैंकर्स। फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले एक निवेदन आप सभी से कि प्लीज अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जरूर करें ताकि आपको नए वीडियो मिलते रहें। यह पत्र 26 जून को वित्त मंत्री श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण को लिखा। रिस्पेक्टेड सिस्टर, नमस्ते। इट इज ग्रेट प्लेजर वी कांग्रेचुलेट यू टू टेकिंग ओथ एज द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ द कंट्री फॉर ए सेकेंड consecutive term. We are confident that your reappointment will ensure continuity along with addition of the new dimensions that are in synchronizing with the India's geopolitical and the economic policies. We write this letter to bring to your kind attention some facts related to above stated issues. We express our gratefulness towards you and your department for resolving certain issues of bank pensioners like 30% family pension to all, rupees 10,000 per month ex gratia to pre-1986 retired, 100% DA to pre-November 2002 pensioners, pension option to the resigned employees, wage revision by December 23, among many other crucial and the worker-friendly decisions taken by you and your kind office. Without prejudice to pension revision demand, you have been magnanimously considered to pass on some interim relief to all pensioners in the name of ex gratia. Even though the amount is really meager, we thank you very much for granting some relief for these people, but in meantime, it must be noted that ex gratia is not a substitute for pension revision. Hence, pension revision is the right solution for pensioner. पेंशनर्स के लिए एक्स ग्रेसिया कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है, इसलिए पेंशन रिवीजन आवश्यक है, मैंडेटरी है। कृपया इसे जरूर करें। However, pension revision and the health insurance are still pending. We have already raised the issues in the memorandum handed over you to on 27 July 23. It is pertinent to mention that the following issues need your kind intervention so that they can be resolved without any further delay. First, pension revision and the health insurance. Two important issues for the pensioners. Banks, IBA may please be advised to insert periodic pension updation clause along with the wage revision as agreed on 8 March 24 and to revise pension on RBI line from RBI date covering pensioner till 31st October 22. In health insurance matter, bank must comply with DFS letter dated 24th February 2012 and ensure that banks take group health insurance for pensioner and not alone for the working staffers. पेंशन रिवीजन और हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इसकी मांगें जरूर पूरा करें। सेकेंड, एक्स ग्रेसिया रिव्यू एज एग्रीड ऑन 8 March 24 in ex gratia matter, it is to be reviewed in April every year starting from 24. IVA convened a meeting but review could not be done as the bank's financial results were not finalized for financial year 23-24. Bank financial results have since been finalized and all banks have made splendid performance. Pensioners deserve fine-tuned ex gratia which is a very meager at present. We are hopeful that under your guidance and instructions it can be made decent and the presentable. एक्स ग्रेसिया का रिव्यू हड़बड़ी में किया गया, बिना फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट के आए, जिसका कोई मतलब नहीं हुआ और एज इट इज इसको छोड़ दिया गया। इसे फिर से रिव्यू करें और जो एक्सपेक्टेड बेनिफिट मिल सकता है वो पेंशनर्स को जरूर दें। लास्ट चांस फॉर द पेंशन ऑप्शन। There are hardly 100 to 150 unfortunate retired bank employees who fail to avail second pension option. Looking at their negligible number and the need of their financial security, we solicit your kind favor to allow one last option chance to such retirees. 5-day banking. After consensus between IB and union regarding 5-day banking, the matter is recommended for a final decision at your level. This has been pending for a long time. You are requested to take a decision in this regard. कम से कम भारतीय मजदूर संघ ने इस आवाज को उठाया कि 5-डे बैंकिंग अवश्य करें, लेकिन हमारे यूबीओ के लीडर्स कान में तेल डालकर बैठे हैं और जब 5-डे बैंकिंग हो जाएगा तो सारे लोग मास मीटिंग करके सीना ठोकेंगे कि 5-डे बैंकिंग हमने कराया है। 5th, ex gratia to private bank pensioners. Ex gratia terms that are an agreement since 1st November 22 are not yet extended to private sector banks who were party to pension agreement dated 29th October 93. However, pension agreements covered all 58 banks. IBA may please be advised to extend ex gratia to all pensioners of the private banks party to pension agreement. Last 6, periodic pension update clause. On 8 March 24, it was agreed through a joint note between the IBA and the unions that a clause for the periodic pension updation along with the salary settlements would be inserted in the pension regulations. This consent has been reached because as per IBA there is no update for the provision in the pension regulations. IBA considered such provision in the regulation is necessary for the pension updation. According to their view, once this is done, pension updation can be done. More than 3.5 months have passed since the said agreement. IBA has not moved forward in this matter. जब तक पीरियोडिक पेंशन अपडेशन क्लॉज बाइपार्टाइट सेटलमेंट के साथ मेंशन नहीं होगा, तब तक ये आगे के लिए भी हमेशा रोड़ा बना रहेगा। फ्रेंड्स, भारतीय मजदूर संघ के हम शुक्रगुजार हैं कि कम से कम हमारी पेंशनर्स के जो भी इश्यूज हैं, साथ साथ 5-डे बैंकिंग के लिए वित्त मंत्री से अपनी गुहार लगा रहे हैं। लेकिन हमारे जो वर्किंग यूनियन के लीडर्स हैं, यूबीओ फोरम ऑफ यूनाइटेड बैंक ऑफ फोरम जो है वो चुपचाप शांति से बैठी हुई है। हाँ, वो तब निकल के आएगी जब किसी काम में रोड़ा लगाना होगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।